Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python tools video series. Today we are discussing about video editing with Python. So more specifically adding a background music to a video. Accordingly, this episode will more essential for the people who make their own video contents like screen recording videos and who need to add some background music into that. So this your own simple Python script will help you to combine your audio and video very fast and effectively. So today also I use this moviepy.editor package for coding, and let's move for that. So move into coding part. This is my mp4 file episode5.mp4 and shakirahips.mp3. So let's have a look into those first. So in my input folder, so this is my hello everyone, welcome to our today's episode text to speech script development. So another one is last time we download Shakira's song. So for example, let's try to add this shakirahips.mp3 as a background music for this episode 5.mp4 file. So this is my script file at backgroundmusic.python. So first we need to import our package same as previously. So moviepy.editor, I will take it as alias mpe. So for the first step, as in the previous episode, we need to get the video clip initialized through this mpe. So we need to call video file clip. Inside we need to give our video file path. So input / episode 5.mp4. So the next step, we need to think about two audios here. So what is two audios? The one is the original file audio and other one is background music mp3 file we given externally. So we need to combine those two and add into the final clip. So we need to grab the background music audio clip using this mpe variable. So my audio clip, audio, I will say background bg is equal to mpe dot, similar to video clip I can extract audio file clip. So there is another function called audio file clip. So we need to give, similar to the video clip, we need to give the audio file path. So Shakira hips.mp3. So we have grabbed the audio background music and the video clip both. So next step, we need to mix those two audio clips, the original audio and the background audio. So then we can create our final audio. So I will say final audio is equal to, so there is another function called CompositeAudioClip. So here we can insert any amount of audio clips. So first one is my audio background and other one is my original audio clip. So that is, we can grab using clip dot, that video clip we have dot audio. So here we insert the audio background and the original audio. So if you have another background music, you can add it here into the array. So you get the final audio using this composite audio clip method. So at the final stage, you can create your final video file, final clip, as like get your original video clip and set audio with this composite final audio. So you create your final clip using this final audio. So then using this final clip, you can write into a new file with the method of write video file by given a new name. We can create inside the out folder and output dot mp4. So this is my new file with the background music. So this is it for the coding. So only 6 lines of code. Let's try to run this one. It may take some time for rendering. you can see the progress here. See, if you go through the each step, you can see right in audio, this is the temporary audio file, that is the composite audio file, then finally write into the final mp4 file. So that is in progress with the rendering of this audio and the video. So it goes for 100. So your video is ready, so we can play it and check. Yeah, this is your output. Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode from our Python tools. Yeah, you can hear both sounds, the both original audio as well as the background music. Here we doesn't control any audio levels. You can control those with the given parameters inside to this composite audio clip and set audio configurations and parameters. So this is it for the today's episode. I will add this 6 code of lines to the description. So please suggest us for new tutorials and subscribe our channel and follow us. So till next episode, goodbye.